Oh, look at another one. Hey, I go for some of that.
Okay. No one got scared.
So she's coming up behind her.
That was pretty delicate.
She just reached you lightly.
Yeah.
I want to get you.
Look at that big piece now. It looks like a big sponge.
They like it like that. Ooh, that's good. Yeah.
Look at the clouds it makes. Oh.
Hey.
I've never seen how to make it like that. It looks like being thrown in the ground.
Hey, Max, that's to your right. Coming in there. Oh, son, you got some over there? You're not out, are you?
Oh.
Are you out?
No. Get that piece!
You want
No,
something?
it's right there! Oh. You completely put it underwater already.
Oh, what's this other one? Hey, you got something on your back. Look, the end of that guy was looking at you like, hey, how about another piece? Give her a piece, man.
Apparently you're getting a little small back.
I think it would fit your hand.
There. Look at the debris it made underneath the wall.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, I think that's the most friendly one so far. Think that's her? Oh no, she said, oh, you're getting a little personal with me.